my breath. I had some garlic for breakfast. This is so good. I hate to break it to you, but, it's kind of boring out here, you know? Just you standing out here all day, not moving. Yeehaw! Giddy up, horsey! Okay, why do I suddenly find this weird? Want some? Okay, you know, I don't really understand where this is going. I mean, you just stand all day and do nothing!